This tutorial is designed to help you get better color in your video by using something called white balance. White balancing is basically just a way of telling the camera what color is white. You've probably seen videos where the colors just aren't quite right, where it's either kind of yellow or kind of blue. Like this whiteboard isn't quite white. We want an image that looks more like this, where the colors are more true to life. And it's actually really easy once you figure out how to use the menus in the camera. First thing we need to do is turn the camera on to record mode, open the LCD panel, and flip this little switch here to the middle where it says manual. When you do that, a little wheel menu should pop up right here with the options of WB, iris, shutter, and 4 of 4 next. You can go through the menus by using this joystick on the back of the camera. At any time, if you don't want to see that wheel menu, just push in on the joystick and the menu goes away. If you need it again, push in and it comes back. If you want to go back to your automatic settings, just push the switch back up to auto. Now we're in the manual mode setting. If we click up on the joystick, we'll go into the white balance settings. You'll see that there's an AWB on the left. That stands for automatic white balance. We want to do a manual white balance, so if we click to the left or the right, it will start going through the menus. When you see this symbol with a square and 2 triangles, that's the manual white balance setting. So if these are the colors we're seeing and they're not quite right, it's really simple. All we have to do is put something white in front of the camera, click up on the joystick, and it will take a picture of it and tell it what's white. You'll get much better colors doing it this way. We'll go through that one more time. First, make sure that you see the manual white balance symbol and get your white card out in front of the camera. Push up on the joystick. It will go black for a second while it adjusts. Then, it's manually white balanced. Here's a side-by-side so you can see the difference between the two. I usually try and carry a white card with me wherever I go, but anything white will do, like this white piece of paper. Now when you manually white balance, you'll want to fill most of the screen with white, so you can zoom in a little bit, and always make sure that your white card is in the lighting that you're actually going to be using.